Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Your Apple TV runs the latest TV OS and has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID under Settings so purchases and downloads sync correctly. Then, navigate to the App Store on the home screen. You'll use its categories and search to find apps. Doing this first avoids permission and compatibility issues and ensures downloads complete without interruption. Now you're ready to locate the app you want. You'll search and evaluate apps next. Use the Search tab and the Siri remote for dictation or the on-screen keyboard to type a name. This speeds the process. Once you find a candidate, review the app page. Look at ratings, device compatibility, in-app purchases, and download size so you know what to expect. When ready, select Get or the Price button. Confirm the purchase or free download with your Apple ID, passcode, or linked authentication method to start the install. After you tap to install, the icon appears on the home screen and fills as it downloads. Wait until it finishes. Once installed, open the app to sign in or grant permissions, and use long press move to place it where you want. If an app won't install or is stuck, restart the Apple TV from settings or unplug it for 10 seconds, then try re-downloading. You can also delete the partial app and retry. If problems persist, check Apple ID billing and network settings before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.